in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your account on your PC, right? So as you can see, right, in the Exness platform, right, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to put in your country, right? Select your country. Here I'm in Nigeria right here, right? I'm in Nigeria right here. Then now put in your email. This way you put in your email, right? You put in your email and your password, right? Put your email and your password. And if you click the link below in this video description, you see a coupon code where you can put and you will get some bonus right there in Exness, right? You see a code there that you can put if you click the link in the first description of this video, right? So there is it, put in your country, your email, your password, and use the coupon code below in the description of this video, right? So I already have my own account. I can just click on and go able to continue, or I can just sign in, right? So let me just sign in. As you can see here, I'll put in my email and my password. But since I already have my own account, let me use Google, right? So I can only sign in direct. So if you don't have your own account, you can just create manual account in your PC, right? As you can see, I'm just using my Google account to sign because I already have my own account, right? As you can see, I'm just signing in with my own account, right? So there is it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, right? So anything you don't understand, you can also comment down below anything you don't understand, right? So this is the way that you can create your account on PC, right? Or your laptop, right? As you can see here, we are in the Exness, dashboard right here, right? As you can see, it's telling me that I should confirm my identity, right? It's telling me I should confirm my identity, and I can create a real account and I can create a demo account right here, right? I can create a real account and I can create a demo account right here. But the first thing I want you to know that it's very, very important for you to have a good NIN number so that you can verify your identity, right? So as you can see, let me click on complete profile verification. So as you can see, let us wait for this to load. As you can see here, my name is already here. So now it's to upload your identity, right? Your NIN number or your national ID card, right? As you can see here, my name is already there. So let me let's click on upload right here. As you can see, my name is already here. Let me click on upload. As you can see, let us wait for this to load up. So let us wait for this to load up. As you can see, this way you can put in your BVN and your country, right? You select your own country. For me, I'm in Nigeria right here. Select your own country and put in your BVN, right? Make sure the BVN is correct and click on continue. So it will now redirect you where you can put your your NIN number, right? As you can see here. So basically I already have my name. Just click on skip number here because I'm just showing you how you can do that. As you can see, so this way you can submit the document, right? And you can edit it again, right? As you can see, verify your identity, right? So just submit the document and that is it. Period. Just put your NIN number and that is it. This is the easiest way and the fastest way you can easily verify your your identity or your NIN number or your anyhow you want to verify your Exness account, right? So that is it. Once you upload it, it will take 24 hours before it will get approved, right? Before they accept it. So now let's create a account on Exness. You can create a real account, you can create a demo account, and they have several accounts right here. You see, they have standard account, professional account, pro account, raw account. So all this is for beginners and for professional. The standard account is for beginners and the professional account is for pro traders who already have a portfolio of trading, who already know how to trade very well. Right? As you can see, let's click on the standard account right here. Let's create the standard account right here. Right? Let's create the standard account. So I'm going to create a demo account for you right here so that you can see how you can create a demo account in your account, right? As you can see here. So there is it. You can select the amount you want to use on the demo account. Which means you can put in any amount you want to trade with in your demo account. Demo account is just for you to just trade. You can't make any profit from it, right? As you can see here, let me put in just some money right here. Let me click on $500 or $5,000 right here. And you can see leave it at US currency. You can choose your currency, but I'm just going to leave it at US. You can put in your nickname right here, so that just give it a specify your name, right? As you can see here, then select your platform whether you want to trade with MT5 or Exness or MT4, right? So I'm just going to use the Exness, right? I just want to trade on Exness. You can use MT5 if you want, but select your platform select a platform. Let me use let me just use, I think, Exness, right? But you can still use MT5 or any other platform you want of your choice, right? So as you can see, let's click on create. Let's create the account right here. So boom, our account has not been created. As you can see, I have 500 USD in my account, which I can trade it, which is a demo account, right? So after you have created your account on your PC or your laptop, this is how you can create a demo account on your PC right here, right? As you can see here, we have a demo account right here. So now I can also create a real account following the same step I do, right? Click on create account. You can use standard account or zero account. So anyone of your choice. So we have already created a demo account. Let's create a real account right here so that we have two accounts. The real account and demo account. As you can see, follow the same step. I will still use Exness platform to trade. As you can see, you can change your nickname. As you can see here, you can't add any money because this is a real account, right? You can't like use a real account to trade with demo account. Right? This is a real account. You must fund the account, right? As you can see here, now we have a real account, we have demo account. As you can see, our real account, we have nothing, and our demo account, we have $500, right? As you can see here, you can trade, deposit, and withdraw, right? So you can see our demo account here, we have 500 USD, which we can trade it. Now let's go to the summary. What's the other features Exness have, right? This way you can see your summaries, your charts, all those kinds of things, like how your trading is going, right? You can see the history of orders, how your orders are going. Like maybe you make a deposit or you make a withdrawal, all those stuff, right? As you can see the payments and wallets, you can see the crypto wallets, you can see the deposit right here, right? You can see the deposit right here. If you want to deposit money on Exness, right? So after you create the account, maybe you want to fund the account, this is how you can, deposit money on Exness. As you can see, it's unavailable because, I have not yet verified my identity, right? As you can see here, all these are unavailable, but as you can see, verification is required. But you can still deposit money, right? As you can see, verify your profile, right? So here, I already have my own personal account. So this one is just a demo account. I'm not sure you guys how to do it, right? So this is how you can just select your payment method, bank transfer, Netland, Scroll, Stick Pay, all of that, right? You can use your bank card too, as you can see. So that is it. Just choose your, the payment method you prefer, right? Right, so that is it. You can see all payment that you have. And what again, withdrawal, you can withdraw to online bank, Scroll, Netla, Stick Pay. Which online bank which they recommend it because it's easier. Within some hours you can receive your money, right? See, it's very easy on Exness, and you can see your crypto wallet right here. Maybe you fund the account, you can see your amount in crypto in USD, right? Open your fund the account in any currency, you can see it in USD, right? As you can see it in Bitcoin. You can withdraw your Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those stuff, right? And you can deposit and withdraw and transfer money on Exness. As you can see the analytics views. You can see the market news, all those stuff, right? As you can see, maybe if you trade, you can see your analytics views, how your trade is going, how lives and Forex stocks, all of them are going, right? And you can see the market news right here. You can see the market news, like how the market is going. Maybe there's an update. You can see it right here. And you can also do many things here on Exness, right? As you can see, let's go to the copy trading. So you can see the copy trading. They also have a feature called copy trading, meaning you copy other people's trade and you make profit from them, because those people are experts. They already know how trading works. So if you like, you can come here, see how their trading goes. If you like, you can copy their trading and make some profit. That is it. So let's go to the account section. So let me show you again more things so that you will know more things about it. So the very important thing that your NIN number must be fully identifiable, meaning it must be clean. It must be something that can identify, right? So let's go to the Exness terminal. Let me show you the Exness terminal. How you can see so that you can see the terminal, like how it works, their dashboard, right? As you can see, so that you can see clearly on your PC, right? So as you can see now, I'm in a demo account right here. I'm in a demo account so that you can see how the Exness terminal look like, right? So you can see here, I have 500 USD in my demo account. I can use this money now and trade anything I want, because this is a demo account. And even though I make some profit, I want to be able to remove the money, right? As you can see here, we have balance of 500 USD. So you can see my demo account and my real account right here. So I'm using the demo account right here just to give an example. So that is it. And if you want to open an account again, you can open any account you want, standard account, standard send accounts, many accounts you want, right? So if you have any value in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, right? So that's it all for this video.